statement is, in this bloodbath and bludgeoning, I will be blooded but unbound.
Hello, what is up mga kamuta? Welcome back sa panibago nating video. And in today's vlog, pag-uusapan natin yung Day 2 summary na nangyari kahapon sa Senado.
Objection, Your Honor.
Overruled. Witness may answer.
Sadly, no? Sad.
Why are these acts impeachable?
I don't want to see this happen again.
Patayin mo si BBM, si Lisa Araneta, at si Martin Romualdez. No joke. Ang galing yung ulo niya ba?
So, ang nangyari kahapon mga kamuta is, yun nga, dumating si VP Sara Duterte, nagpakita siya sa Senado, pero hindi para humarap sa kanyang trial, kundi para kitain lang ang kanyang defense team. Nagbigay din siya ng maikling sentence sa media, at yun na, pagkatapos nun ay umalis na siya. So, what do you think about that action mga kamata of VP? Safe ba yun? O sa tingin nyo, kailangan niya pa rin humarap at magpakita sa Senado para harapin yung kanyang kaso?
Just
So,
two sentences, one sentence, and then no questions. Yeah, I know. Sadly, no? Sad. Siya ang may kasalanan. Sabi niya no questions daw. Yes. So, my statement is, in this bloodbath and bludgeoning, I will be blooded but unbowed. Maraming salamat.
Pangalawa mga kamata is nagkagirian din si Ma'am Risa Hontiveros at Ma'am Pia Cayetano regarding doon sa statement ni Ma'am Risa na parang ito daw ay conclusion na kaagad.
None of these statements are proof that the Vice President actually contracted an assassin or hired one. Why are these acts impeachable?
The question posed by Senator Judge Risa pertains to the final question of this entire impeachment proceedings already.
That was like a closing statement, Mr. President. So, I don't think this is fair because some parts are exciting, some parts are dragging. We're trying our best to be paying attention and what evidence, we have to ferret the evidence before us, what is admissible, what is not. The official objections will come later. But when we allow this to happen, na-shortcut na natin yung process. If I may, with all due respect, Mr. President, admonish us. Call us out if yung question natin is also not proper at the proper time. We may all make those mistakes. Even I may make that mistake. And I'm telling you, please call me out if I make a mistake and ask the kind of question that should not properly be asked by a judge at that particular time, because it is not right. We must follow the rules, and I know you are being courteous to all of us, but that was a closing statement. And I also asked the parties involved. You have an oath as lawyers. Don't take advantage of the generosity of this impeachment court. I don't want to see this happen again. Thank you, Mr. President. I respectfully move that the statements of the prosecution be stricken off the record. It is not proper for those statements to be made.
Just a point of clarity, briefly, if I may, Mr. Presiding
You may proceed,
Officer. Salamat po, Mr. Presiding Officer. And of course, I will submit to any ruling or statement of the presiding officer to this Senator Judge. If you wish to strike out the response of the prosecutor, then so be it, Mr. Presiding Officer. But for clarity again, my intention was not to provoke a closing statement.
Ano din yung sa inyo dyan mga kamata sa bangayan ng dalawang yan? So, tagal na yan ha mga kamata. Noon pa, nagbabangayan na yung dalawang yan. So, hanggang ngayon, hindi matapos-tapos. At ito nga mga kamata, no, ito na yung kainitan ng hearing mga kamata against the defense ng prosecutor. At the same time, prosecutor against the defense team of VP Sara Duterte dahil sa patuloy na pag-object ng defense ni VP Sara Duterte, mga kamata, nagkaroon ng girian at bangayan. Konting initan at syempre normal lang naman to sa isang hearing mga kamata, lalo na mabigat na kaso ang pinag-uusapan. Dahil ito mga kamata doon sa mga statement ng NBI na witness mga kamata na sinasabing testigo daw at the same time sinasabi ng defense na binabasa niya lang ba yung script dahil bakit siya may mga notes kung talagang kabisado niya naman yung kanyang statement.
In what particular portion of the subject video did the respondent utter that she already contracted a person to kill? Objection, Your Honor. Oh, wait.
Allow the counsel to finish his
Not
question.
yet done. Relax. To kill the President, the First Lady, and the former Speaker of the House.
Objection, Your Honor.
What?
What is the objection of counsel for respondent?
Your Honor, no basis for the question, Your Honor.
Overruled. Witness may answer.
Kabila ng mga motion to object mga kamata ng defense ni Sara Duterte, halos karamihan dito ay hindi pinayagan o inobject din ito ng presiding officer ng Senate.
Overruled. Witness may answer.
Pero I have to admit mga kamata no, na napakagaling ng dalawang lawyer na ito, the prosecutor and the defense mga kamata. Binibigyan nila tayo ng magandang laban at magandang girian sa Senate hearing. Ang pinaka main point dito mga kamata is ang laki ng budget na nagagastos natin dahil tayong Pilipino ang gumagastos ng lahat ng ito. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I-follow nyo naman ako mga kamata, konting lambing lang. Maraming salamat.